Hello guys, welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. In this video we are going to have a small word pronunciation which is a glass. Glass of water, glass of wine, glass of whatever. So it's going to be the glass. What is a glass in Arabic language? So it is كأس. كأس. Like that. كأس. So it's actually difficult when it comes to the middle one, which is the e sound. It's just an e. So it's just like a gap. It's just a stop, and then you will say the or pronounce the s at the end. So it's gonna be again ka. So now you will stop there. So it comes from here. Ka. Cas is the glass of whatever. So this is the glass, but if anybody told you that we should say ka'is or ka'as or whatever, it's really wrong. So it's gonna be kas. This is how would it be fast. So it's gonna be kas, like this. This is the word a glass. So let's see how to make it in the spoken Arabic. In the spoken Arabic, we tend to not pronounce the gaps like the sound there because it needs so much time. So we have no time actually. So how to say this in the spoken Arabic? It's just gonna be kas. So it's just like kas. Or some people would make it like a feminine, which is kase. So kas or kase. So at the same time, both of them don't have the sound. Only the standard Arabic that has the kas. So this is it. This is the word of this pronunciation video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please press the like button and comment below. Tell me what words that you need to listen to them carefully and know the exact correct pronunciation for them. See you later in next videos and bye bye.